region between circle and triangle, whereas we had it in X. So A is gone. In figure B, there is no common region between circle and square alone. So that is also gone. In first also it was A also, circle and triangle alone we were checking. Here it is alone in X. So it should have. No. So now see, is there any region between circle and triangle alone? Yes. Circle and triangle in square? Yes. Single circle means only circle. Is there any region? Yes. See this one and this one. So C will be satisfied. Will D be satisfied? No. Why? Because D also has the same logic. There is no region which is common to, not common to. There is no region which has only circle. So D is gone. So only C will be the answer. You can call this 1, 2, 3 and 4 also if you want to check up with this given comments. Next, there are three figures X, Y and Z showing the sequence of folding of a sheet of paper. Okay, see this X, Y and Z. What is done? This paper is folded over here. In Y it comes half. Now it is again folded over here, and then there is a cut, triangular cut made on it. Select the figure from the options which would resemble the unfolded form of the paper. Suppose if I give a cut and then unfold it, then which one would look the same? See here, this point of the triangle is inside, right? So which one has and there would be four triangles because you unfold it over here and here. Four triangles would be there. So pointed inside, which one has it? Only D. So D is the answer. Next, which of the following is the mirror image of the given combination? When mirror is kept vertically left, see mirror is over here, left on this side, okay? So, see this is a mirror. So, how will the figure look? This arrow is pointing over here on this side, so it will be pointing on the opposite side, right? So, either C or D. Now, in C or D, what happens? See this pointer. This S type is on this side, so it will be on. To watch the videos further, kindly download YuvaGuru app from Play Store and follow the paid version in 10+2 section. You can also WhatsApp on the number 9960560404 to get the videos permanently on your PC and on your mobile. What you get in these videos? IMO, IEO, IGKO, ISCO, NSO, NCO, Homi Baba plus many other exams questions with explanations. So keep studying, keep watching.